Hey guys, just a room tour of All-Star Music Broadway. Ooh, we're on 3rd floor. We overlook the parking lot. We're parked over there somewhere. Pretty nice. So here we are in room 8622. Just gonna use my magic band to buzz me in here. Look at that, wow. And here you have 2 beds. Thank the Lord, I forgot to ask. Here's Lauren.
Welcome.
There's Lauren. Look, a little hidden Mickey. That's fun.
That's neat.
We got some
Like
welcome thing.
Like and subscribe.
Got a little table there.
Look at this.
That's
Man
a nice,
himself,
nice
Donald
picture.
Duck, yo.
7:28 Florida time. It's 4:28 Vancouver time. Look, we have a nice flat screen TV. Wow. Little fridge. Adjoining door, probably into the next room. We have a little curtain that comes into this bathroom. This is the first time I've been in here, so
Yeah, this is new.
you're experiencing this for the first time with me. Okay, got some hanger.
And me.
And
Let me
So-
just sneak on by here.
get a little privacy. That's kind of cool. Oh, hey.
Oh, look at that. Lights. They were. Ooh, look. Disney H2O soap.
Sweet. Let's take that home.
We'll be taking that home. We'll
There's
be getting that every day.
mom's first gift.
Yeah, there you go.
Got an ironing board.
Merry Christmas.
You know, typical hair dryer.
What's this? This is interesting. I
And
don't know what that is.
here's our bathroom. Got the throne. That's a heat lamp, I think.
Is that?
And got
Or
a
is it a
cool.
fan?
Oh
yeah,
curtain.
look at that. Ooh,
That's
music.
fun. I love music. And our tub. So
Nice.
we'll be hopping in that. Yeah, that's our room tour.
There we go.
Cool. All-Star Music. Hi guys.
Bye.
Miss you. Bye.